Explore the steps below to efficiently visualize a document in the Catenda application. From accessing tutorial videos to opening specific PDF files, this guide will help navigate through the process seamlessly for employee training. Access recent tutorial videos. Navigate to the Documents section. Select the 2D option. Access the as-built drawings. Open the Architect folder. View the specified PDF document. Access a specific document published by customer success. Navigate to the first document in a series. This guide provided instructions on how to visualize documents in Catenda for employee training. It covers navigating through folders, opening specific documents, and accessing additional information with ease.